So how can you use the Google Translate on the iPad? Let's explain that. If it's your first time on this channel, make sure you subscribe and become part of the community so you that way don't miss anything important. So the Google Translate is naturally a Google app that you need to download from the App Store. Literally look up Translate in there and you should be able to get it, right? So outside of that, you also have like different Translate apps. There is the official one from Apple, but I'm going to focus on the Google Translate in our case, right? So this is what it looks like. You just get inside and there are like three main pages. The main one is, of course, for the text translation. You enter a text in your selected language on the left, and you want to translate it to the language which is selected on the right. So you're free to set up those languages as you want. And for the one on the left, you can also choose to detect the language, which is important as well if you don't even know what the language is. Then, as you can see, we can already see them right there. You also have the download button next to some of the languages, and it just lets you download it for offline use, which just means that if you're going to be, I don't know, without the internet connection on an airplane, for example, or whatever, you'll still be able to translate between the downloaded languages on your iPad. So that would be pretty useful. So that's like one thing. You can also go to the camera mode in the bottom right, which will allow you to point your camera at a specific sign or a text and it will translate it in real time. And you can also upload your photos from the gallery containing the text which you want and wish to be translated. And then you also have the conversation mode, which is required to access your microphone, and you'll be able to just have the iPad listen to both selected languages depending on which speaker is speaking, right? And it will try to put it all together so two people can actually communicate and talk with each other. So let me know what you think about that. Let me know if you managed to make it work on your device. So perhaps subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one. I plan on comparing the Google Translate as well as Apple Translate. So make sure you stay tuned for that, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.